Hey everybody, this is a quick video to explain how to reset your TAGRY X08 Bluetooth earbuds. If you're only getting sound out of the left ear or out of the right ear, or if you're having connection issues like they keep disconnecting or they won't connect at all, this will help fix a lot of those problems. It's very simple to do. All you need to do is, first of all, you want to put your earbuds in the case and close the case. And you want to make sure that you have a good charge on the case when you do this and a good charge in the earbuds. You're going to close the case, and then you're going to go to whatever device you had them paired with previously, and you want to go in and you want to delete these earbuds from the phone or the device, and then turn the Bluetooth off on that device. Once you've done that, you can come back over to this case here, and with it closed, you want to make sure that it has been closed for at least 1 full minute. After that full minute is gone, you can turn the Bluetooth back on and open the case up again and take your earbuds out, and they should repair with your device as a new device.